What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Learn Trends, your home for daily analysis on the crypto markets. The Bitcoin chart has given us a lower low to the level of $19,500. We will expect the market to give us a lower high to the level of $20,800, or the market will give us a pullback to the level of $21,900. Continue watching this video as we analyze the chart for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Welcome once again to my channel, where we analyze the BTC chart along with Ethereum from the higher time frames down to the lower time frame for possible trading setups and how best we can take advantage of the opportunity the market presents. So if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on push notifications so you stay up to date on daily analysis on the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts. Starting with the Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame, we can see we are on a downtrend. The market has given us a break of structure, breaking below this our trend line, the trend line at the level of $23,700. We are currently creating lower lows and lower highs. We are currently creating lower lows and lower highs, and we expect the market to give us a lower high for us to sell the market for a move to the downside. If we use our Fibonacci retracement tool, we can see that on the daily time frame, taking our Fibonacci tool from the swing high, which is the level of 21,562, to the swing low, which is the level of 19,561. We can see our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level as the level of 20,561 and the level of 20,798. So we can expect the BTC chart to give us a retracement to this level, and we can expect consolidation at this level and a break of structure for us to sell the market for the continued move to the downside. It's also possible that the Bitcoin chart may not respect this our Fibonacci retracement level and give us a push back up to this our support box, which is level of 21,561 and the level of 21,882. So from here, we can still see an opportunity to sell the market for a move to the downside. Overall, the trend is to the downside. So that's why we're looking for opportunities to sell the market for a move to the downside. Into the 4-hourly time frame. Looking at the 4-hourly time frame, we can see that we've actually tested our 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level before, the level of 20,556. We got rejected to the downside. Now we actually had a pullback to come back to retest our levels, our Fibonacci retracement level. We are currently seeing a rejection to the downside. Remember, the more times you test the resistance level, the more likely you are to break this level. So the more times BTC comes to test the level of 20,583, the more likely we are to break it. So it's possible that in the coming hours, we can actually have a break of this Fibonacci retracement levels, 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So we can then go to the lower time frame, the 1-hourly time frame, to spot the trend, to see if we are having a break of structure or we are having a retracement, a bounce, so we can actually entertain a short, long position. Let's see it in the 1-hourly trade. Remember, as traders, we are interested in volatility, whether the market goes up or comes down. So if you look at the 1-hourly time frame, you can spot our trend. Using the trend line. Can spot the trend to the upside on the 1-hourly time frame, coming to test our Fibonacci retracement level. What are we interested in? We are looking for a break of structure, a break below our trend line to confirm the opportunity to sell the market for a move to the downside. But if we are not having this break of structure, the market is going to continue to the upside. If we go down to the low using our Fibonacci retracement tool, the market is actually giving an uptrend, giving us higher lows and higher highs. So we can on the Fibonacci retracement level and the can take our swing low, the swing high, the Fibonacci retracement level, swing low to swing high. So it's possible that the market will come to our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is the level of 20,113 and the level of 20,040 to come and retest this level and have a bounce. From here, we can see an opportunity to buy the market for a move to the upside. Coming back to test this Fibonacci retracement level at the higher time frames, the level of 20,831. So this is a quick scalp trade if you're interested in it. If you're having a bounce from here, you can actually go to the lower time frame and the 15 minutes time frame. So this is what we can do on the 15 minutes time frame. We can take the trend line from here. So if we are having a break above this our trend line, either we come to retest this our Fibonacci retracement level and we have a break above this our trend line, then we can entertain a long trade we are currently testing this our trend line we drew. So we can either get rejected and come as low as the level of 20,040 or the level of 20,113. From here, we can have a bounce. If we're having a break above our trend line, we can entertain a trade. So we are expecting the market to give us a retracement to the level of 20,885. We can actually come as high as our take profit 3, the level of 21,162. So if the market gives us a break of this structure, we can entertain this long position. If we use our long position, if we are having a break of this trend line, it's in our stop loss. Its management is key in trading. So if we are having a break of structure, take profit 3, it's in our stop loss. Yeah. So this is a trade I see on the 1 hourly time frame, but it depends on if we are having a break of this trend line, this resistance line. If we are having a break of this structure, and then the market is going to continue to the upside. But if we are having a rejection, a break below this Fibonacci retracement level, you can then see that the market is continuing to the downside. Then we are looking for, remember, we do not sell the market at the lower low, rather we wait for the market to give us a lower high for us to sell the market for a move to the downside. So this is one trading structure I see on BTC. Remember, nothing in this channel should be construed as a financial advice. This channel is strictly for educational purposes, empowering traders with trading setups. So you see, as traders, we wait for the market to do its thing. If we are having a bounce from this Fibonacci retracement level we drew on the 15-minute time frame, we can entertain a long to the upside. But if we are having a break of structure, we wait for the market to do its thing, then we react to it. Then we know that we are looking for sell opportunities on the charts. Don't forget, if you're having a push to the upside, it's only a retracement to higher time frame Fibonacci retracement level. The trend is still to the downside. So move over to Ethereum. Looking at Ethereum on the daily time frame, you can see that we've also had a break of structure. You see our trend line. We had a break of structure when we had a retracement. Obviously, we are currently in the downtrend, creating lower lows and lower highs. So the market has actually given us a lower low to the level of 1,430. Where can our lower high be? We take our Fibonacci 2 to see where our lower high can be. We use this swing low, this level, the level of 1,692. So the swing high, rather, 1,692 to the swing low, the level of 1,423. You can see that we are currently consolidating at our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is between the level of 1,558 to the level of 1,590. We could either get rejected from this level, or we could actually have a pullback up to this previous resistance level, the level of 1,692 on Ethereum. So if we go down to the lower time frame to spot the trend to the upside, to see the consolidations, we go down to the 1 hourly time frame. Ethereum on the 1 hourly time frame, we can see we are currently having a bounce from here. We take our Fibonacci 2, our trend line rather, to spot the trend to the upside. You can see that this is the second time we are testing our Fibonacci retracement level. We got rejected earlier. We are coming back to test this level. Remember, the more time we test the resistance level, the more likely we are to have a break of this structure. So the market is currently giving us a bounce from this our trend line. We've not seen a break of structure yet. So the market could actually come, if it's not respecting this trend line or this Fibonacci retracement level, it will come as high as our supply candle, the level of 1,693. From here, we are also looking for consolidations to sell the market for a move to the downside. Just like what we did on BTC, we can take our, go down to the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, we can use our Fibonacci 2 from the swing low to the swing high, from the level of 1,525 to the level of 1,612. You can see we are currently bouncing from this Fibonacci retracement level. So instead of looking for shorting opportunities at this level, since the market is not respecting our 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, you can see we are having a clear bounce from our 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. We could actually entertain a long to our supply level, which is level 1,690, which is a quick scalp. Remember, a bounce from our 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level is not enough for us to enter the trade. We also need to look look for a break of this our trend line. Look at this our trend line. So on Ethereum, we are currently seeing a break of our trend line. Looking at Ethereum, we are currently seeing a break of this our trend line. So the market could actually give us a little retracement in the coming minutes, a little retracement, let's say to the level of 1,580. So we want to buy the market at a little retracement for an opportunity for a move to the upside. So obviously the market is showing us that it's not ready to have respect this 0.5 and 0.61 Fibonacci retracement level, and it can give us a retracement to our 1,692 level. So we can enter a trade, a quick scalp on Ethereum using our long tool, entering a trade from this level. Remember, risk management is key in every trading. Always give room for volatility. We can put our stop loss at this level of 1,550 for a move to our supply level. You can see this is currently a 1:3 risk to reward standpoint. So this is what I see on Ethereum. If we are not, obviously we are having a bounce on this our support trend line, indicating the move to the upside. So we can, if the market gives us a little retracement, we can enter the trade for a move to the upside. So this is what I see on both BTC and Ethereum. Thank you very much for sticking with me through this video. See you in the next one.